customer complained that the baby keeps getting out. So we ordered these gates, we're gonna install them. So we just marked about 2.5 inches on this side and put it in the middle. And then we matched the same hole on this side and put it in the middle. See? So we drilled them out. My little helpers and me. Right here. This nice little light drill.
Last time we had one of these, we did not drill that into the actual side.
Okay, I'm not really showing all that. So these right here are gonna help. See? Just nice little taps. These are gonna help the gate not sliding out of place. We're expanding it. It actually comes with a little extension, but we don't need it because this door is very small. Keep going, go your way. Más. See that? Now, start doing this one now so we can measure where it's gonna go. The top needs to be easier, because she's got a center. Just enough so we can fit it through.
I do the drill this time.
Okay. Now, make sure it's gonna fit. That's right there. Okay, back up. Back up. Thank you. Because if you take this off before we put these in, this is gonna pop out. You take it off once we line it up. See, it says it right here.
Okay.
It says how to close the gate. It says do not remove zip ties until gate is completely installed.
Well, thank goodness we didn't listen to my advice because I came over here with scissors trying to cut it off. So always read the directions.
Good. Okay. More. Perfect.
This.
Dangerous to do this?
It's dangerous to do this, everyone, okay?
You should be with an adult.
Yeah.
No kids.
Yeah. Yeah, no kids.
I'm really noticing we need to paint our trim really bad.
Yeah.
And finish this woodwork and touch ups on the trim.
That should be
Next
paint.
project.
And paint is last on.
We are going to put this last thing on and then...
Tighten it up. Okay, so this is the important part I guess to
Yeah.
note actually, for real.
Yeah,
Are we
real.
watching?
Yeah?
Okay.
Everyone's watching?
Everyone's watching? We're gonna explain this right here real quick. Look. You don't take this off, see? Do not remove until it's installed. You know why? Because look, it's not touching, okay? See that? It's not touching. So, Mateo, ayúdame. Tú ese. Más. Más. Marisol is not gonna like it because it's gonna keep her locked in. I got you. But this one's like a lot tighter. It's a lot harder because it's really tight. So you can really just watch. Keep doing it. Don't pay attention to my mixed max socks. And you can see it closing in.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
So now it closes in. Now that you know that it snaps in.
Yeah.
See?
No.
I like to have this one both tight though. For the baby. This is gonna prevent this from. These are gonna prevent this from moving. See that?
It's not off.
Not only the baby, but also dogs.
Dogs.
We have
even.
a
It's- I mean, it can-
80-pound dog, and it definitely keeps
Okay,
him
so
out.
now you see that? I'll let you test it out here. Okay, now we take the zip tie off.
Yes. No.
Test it out.
No. So.
So if it's too tight, just loosen it up.
Yeah, that's too
Then you
tight.
should be able to
There you go. Yeah, tight. That's right.
Take it off, and then there, voila.
Voila. There you go.
What are you doing?
So show me one more time how you did that. You
Push up.
push up
I mean, push forward and then pull up.
and then pull up.